Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna be playing Wind Up. Let's get into the video. Rules: no acting for staff. Do not go to staff room without permission. No hitting people off more than 3 times in a row. Follow all of these. No camping, no swearing, no glitches that include swimming on spikes or skipping parts. What? That's so weird, bro. Yo, this is finna be so easy. I'm the wrong chicken. Frick. What can you do with bells? Why are bells banned? Hello. I've never seen it in there sideways. Nobody. Look, there's a trampoline down there. Oh yeah! No! He's the staff. Shout out to that dude. Go get us up. I think the staff left. Oh. I just showed y'all my room. I gotta make it this time. Boing. No! I hate this. Game over. Yo, stop, gang. That's actually rude, man. Hey, what if never? Oh no! Oh my gosh, he sucks. Okay, guys. So I have a lot of things to change since all the times I failed on this. Never mind, I'm not gonna risk it. Yay. They don't have no checkpoints? No, I don't want to risk it. No! Okay. No! Yo. I hate this game, bro. Like, what? Low taper fade. Like, I didn't even turn. This is my last straw. If I fall one more time, I'm actually about to crash out. Hit me over there. I'm gonna go over there. You go over there, I'm gonna go to the great thing. Oh my, I thought I was dead. Let's go. Let's go. So these things hitboxes are like really small, cause like wait, what block is that? What? I literally did not do frickle frack. Like, wait until I get to a certain spot. Just jump down. close we are. Did he leave? Guys, I'm gonna have to do this on my own. Yo, I just showed up my whole room, but I don't even